I'll ride for my city. Hey girl, you looking pretty tonight. I think I've lost it again.
What's going on, everybody? It's Tehran Drives here, and as you could hear, and of course as you could see, we have the 335i back. The trunk is all repaired. We still have a few more things to get done on the interior, but besides that, it's running, which is mainly the most important part, but we'll get into more specifics as we get on throughout the video. So we hop inside. The radio doesn't work. Well, it works, but it doesn't work. So it doesn't work. Interior lights, so if I put on the indicators, it comes on outside, but it doesn't come on the inside. So I have to replace the footwell module, which is located back here. So I have to remove all this stuff and get behind there. I actually have to remove the lower dash too, so I can get all that working. Besides that, the engine runs pretty well. I have to get this all in, which I'll probably try to get in today. Do a time lapse of me putting in the interior, so hopefully I can get that all done. Besides that, yeah, you can see in the back possibly the indicator light is on. It comes on the outside, but on the inside it does not, due to that footwell module issue. So let's get this thing up and running. Let's get it clean. Let's get it started. Let's get it done. So what I might do is I might just keep this as a track car, honestly. Now, this is what the trunk looks like after the fact. We have a new battery terminal, new battery. The amp is in, but I'm guessing the wires are fried because we have no music. And then the TCU GPS module, this is for like your phone, that's also not working, so I'm guessing the wires on that is also fried. So it's like a bunch of little, like, look how corroded this thing was. That's all rock salt. Look at that, that was ridiculous. That's all corroded and messed up. This is the old battery terminal. This is, alright, let's get this cleaned up.
But I'm coming home. Girl, I'm coming home tonight. I'm coming home. Girl, I'm coming home tonight. I'm coming home. I want it all, 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 I want it all. I want it all. I want it all.
So as you saw from the time lapse, I got the third brake light installed. It didn't take much time at all, but we got that installed. We still have to get the passenger rear seat in, and we still have to get it cleaned out as well, so we'll get back on that. I also had to fix the trunk lock, which again didn't take much time. That was an easy installation and that works perfectly, no issues at all. After testing the brake light, I went and messed with the amp,
which is supposed to be
and
dropping
now we
sometime
have
this year.
music.
And he's also going to be starring alongside Sylvester Stallone and Megan Fox.
Not for long though, don't want to get sued by Drake. But now the interior is all cleaned up. I gave it a mild little scrub to just get everything out, all the dust out. It looks almost like new, you know, you can't even tell anything was wrong with it. Got the mats installed, and again, we messed with the amp, we got the radio working. So the last thing to do now is a quick little drive test. So I'm testing the headlights just to make sure they all come out. So 65-75% of the lights work on this car. The other is just minor dash lights, and the window's not working due to that footwell module. I'm gonna try to source that part and then get that installed myself so that we can get this car up to 100% and then decide what we are gonna do with it from there. After doing a quick drive, the engine does run pretty strong, no complaints in the suspension. I do have to replace the tires, however, but besides that, there's no complaint. Thank you guys for watching, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe for more. Trust me, we have a lot more great content coming to you soon. Thank you. Take care, guys.